It's Disney Princess Channel. Disney Princess Channel. Hello everyone. Welcome to Disney Princess Channel. Today I have 4 Disney Princess toy presentations. The first one is mini disc. As you can see, there are 2 mini discs enclosed and they have princesses on the front. Let's open them. We have Princess Rapunzel and Snow White on this one. And we have Cinderella and Ariel on this one. They're mini discs. You can go outside and play with them and throw them to your friends. These are Disney Princess mini discs. Set those over there. What's next? Here we have, this is Disney Princess Stationery set with a pin. On the front you can see that we have Snow White, Cinderella, and Princess Rapunzel. And there's a nice purple pin right there. So let's open this up. Oh, on the back, here we have Cinderella on the back. She's alone on the back. And there's some sparkly glitter. And you can see it's Disney Princess. So let's open this up. Princess, and it writes in purple. Love Sparkle Disney Princess Stationery and Pen. What else do we have? Oh, looks like we have 5 gifts, toys to open today. This one is a play pack. Disney Princess play pack. It's a grab and go, and it has crayons, stickers, fun size coloring book. Let's open this up. This is the front. This is Princess Ariel and Princess Rapunzel. That's the back of it. Let's open it up and see what's in it. There's the play pack coloring book, and this is a Christmas edition, Christmas with a sparkle. So it's February now, but I mean you can still play with it. That's Ariel and all the princesses, Cinderella, Aurora. Beautiful. So you can use this, but you need crayons. So let's see. There are the crayons. You got blue, red, green, and yellow. So you can use these crayons to color in this Disney Princess coloring book. Book to color. What else is in here? Oh. Looks like we have some stickers. Well, pretty nice stickers. All the princesses decorated with Christmas ornaments. Like I said, this is a Christmas little grab pack. play pack grab and go bag. So these are some stickers. You can save these for the holidays. So that's that. Set that right here. See what is next. Ooh, what I have here is a Disney Princess flip phone, telephone. Here's the back of it, and it's pink, and yes, you can see it has all the numbers, and that is Princess Belle, and there's some flowers around her, and it says 12:35 gives a time. There's actually it shows a battery, and there's all the push buttons of a regular phone, and it's for ages 4+. It's a Disney Princess flip phone. Let's open this. Hey, there we are. It flips. Let's see. Yep. Oh, look on the front. We have Princess Rapunzel, Princess Ariel, and Princess Belle. And it says 12:35. The flip phone. Takes a picture. It has the sounds. Let's call someone. Hello? Okay. And there it is. Disney Princess flip phone. That's the back of it. It's all purple and pink, pinkish purple. The front is light pink with 3 Disney princesses. Princess Belle on the inside. Nice, huh? Yes. That's a keeper. Let's see, then the last, we have Disney Princess tattoos. Oh, yes. We have Disney Princess Snow White, Jasmine, Tiana, Cinderella, Rapunzel, Belle, Ariel, and Aurora. Disney princesses, tattoos. Let's open this. Here we go. Wow, look at those tattoos. Princesses. Some flowers. You got birds. It's a froggy. Princess Tiana. That's a coral reef. Princess Ariel. There's some more. Beautiful tattoos. I think I want to try one. And the way to put these on is you have to cut. I'm going to put this flower on. So I'm going to cut this flower. Making sure I don't cut any of the princesses. I want to put this one on. So I think I'm going to put it on my hand. Right here. Stick it right there. And you need some water. Let's see how that comes out. A little more water. Wow, beautiful Disney princess stickers. So that's it for today. Disney princess tattoos. That's it for today. I had Disney princess tattoos and a Disney princess flip phone, Disney princess grab and go, play pack, crayons, stickers, and a coloring book. And I had a Disney Princess Stationery with ink pen. And Disney Princess mini. These are mini discs. So that's all for today. Thank you.